Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Change of the guard for the 2 Live crew. Radio broadcaster Markland Action Edwards announced his departure today as a co-host on the 2 Live radio program on RJR 94 FM. Markland's departure from hosting the daytime radio program follows the announcement that he has been ordained as an evangelist with the Power of Faith Ministries. The announcement marks an achievement in Action's spiritual journey and means the popular host will pursue his ministry in a new way. To celebrate the journey of the 2 Live crew, the RJR Galena Group's broadcast house hosted an event to wish Markland Action Edwards all the best on his new exploits.
You know me, I'm gonna miss you.
Yes, man, I'm gonna miss it too. I'm gonna miss everybody.
Me not hug you up.
No, we're not crying either.
No, look at me,
me not crying. But it has been a lovely journey.
Resident DJ on the 2 Live crew program, DJ Delhi, reminisced on working with Action.
His first show on RJR I was his DJ, and that's like 7 years ago. That was the ignition, you know. And a whole heap of power, a whole heap of flex to make, and you know what I mean. He always support me with my parties and everything. Real friend.
Markland expressed his appreciation for the event.
I mean, I'm a better person today. I'm a better broadcaster, all because of RJR 94 FM. Thank you.
He also officially announced the new co-host of the 2 Live radio program.
I, Evangelist Markland Action Edwards, Justice of the Peace for the Parish of St. Catherine, present to Jamaica and the world. Another host of the 2 Live crew, I present to you.
Coconut tree.
I present to you.
Oh, like a coconut tree.
Talia Harris and the Burgerman.
Come here, Talia.
Media personality, actress, film and theater director as well as producer Daly Harris is excited to join the RJR 94 FM family.
Very excited. I mean, I started off in media, in radio. Radio has always been my first love, so the opportunity to be able to go back to radio and a big brand such as 94 is amazing. I'm excited about it.
Well, you know, Daly has been a part of the RJR Galena family for some time. Going on the 2 Live crew, I think, is just a lot more excitement. She's a fun character all the time. I think that she is going to bring a lot of vibe that will work quite well with Burgerman on the slot. We wish Markland all the best.
Entertainment was provided by gospel artist Kevin Downswell.
You will know the truth, for the truth sets you free. You are free. You will know the truth.
The 2 Live crew radio program with Daly and Burgerman starts on Monday, June 10. All the best to Markland. We'll miss you so. Now remember tomorrow to go out and enjoy an evening with Air Supply with performances from Global Reggae Ambassadors Third World and a special guest artist Coffee. The biennial benefit concert, which is an all-inclusive event, will be held on the lawns of the Couples Sans Souci Resort in Ocho Rios. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.